Hello dear traders, welcome to my YouTube channel and hi to you from Dubai. I hope you're in a good mood and ready to trade this day, 1st of February. We get a lot of information these days and the main reason to trade is that FOMC is making a rate decision today. It looks like they're gonna raise the rate to 0.25% and it will be 4.75. It looks like it may happen. But the main point, federal rate decision is a reason for volatility. So that's why I'm here to discuss American dollar, gold, platinum, and some currency pairs. You can watch the whole list under the video. So watch my technical picture first, because I do explain above which level and why I'm gonna buy, or under some level I'm gonna sell, and on 15-minute chart or 1-hour chart, and my target goes here because of that. So please go through my video step by step, make some notes and ask me questions, because I'm trying to explain the way I do the research. So it's not something like a made decision, it's not a general idea. This is something the way I go through market and I buy or sell currencies, stocks, metals, oil, okay? You're welcome to stay with me and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. So the main thing that you have to look at all the time is American dollar index. This is it. American dollar index right now is 101.70, and this is the daily chart. On daily chart, technical picture shows us that it may go lower and lower. How did I found those lines? This is the range they showed us since September 2022. After market breaks this range, we take the wideness of this range, the previous one, and pretend like this is going to be the wide step for the market in the future to go further until they don't break the tendency. And as far as you can see, they didn't break the downgoing tendency. They are still on the way down. So yes, it is a really, really good support right now, but they still have more space to go down. And if you check the weekly chart, they may hit even 98 or 96 area. On monthly chart, I showed you, okay, that was my upgoing trend. After they break it, they reach one more target, and they made these channels the same way I just told you on this picture. And you can see how it worked. So over here, they gave me a rebound, and I'm like, okay, where do you go now, American dollar? There are people who will guess where the monetary policy ideas or where the waiting list of, I don't know, some labor market changes, but you can use trading technical ideas to decide when to buy or sell. So technically, if today they give us a rebound from this area, which is 101 area, it's okay, and we'll buy American dollar index and we'll sell euro. But if American dollar goes under 101.70 area and on daily chart they close under this area, they will hit the support, which is 96. It means that gold will go up, euro will go up, American dollar with the Japanese yen will go down. So yeah, this is the technical reason for me to wait American dollar index to go over here if they break 101.70 area. Right now on daily chart, there is no buy signal. The tendency is still going down. And today, the rate decision may hit support really strong. Okay? When do we trade? You can check 1-hour chart. For example, you pretend like this is your entry point, for example, like this, the tendency. And if the close price of 1-hour chart is under 101.60, you keep selling. Your stop loss goes above 101.80 area. Your target goes to like this area. This is the first wave, let's say like that. It will be 100.90. So after they break 101.60, they'll go down to 100.90. If you see a rebound from here, and they hit 200 moving average, the red fat line. So they will go to 103 area, okay? So what you have to follow? You have to follow this support, which is 101.60, 101.70. In this area, they will give you either rebound or they hit the support and go down to 100.90 area. First of all, you watch this American dollar index. If they break this support, you're like, okay, I know what to do with the euro dollar. I'm gonna buy euro dollar. And my target will go to 1.0950. And after they break 109.50, they'll hit 115. So we come closer and we'll be like, okay, for euro dollar, here's the resistance. Wow, I should sell. No, it's not going to work like that. Market stopped a little bit and they are deciding right now where to go. So I wouldn't buy only if they break this level of resistance. It is really important for me, first of all, to wait what happens with American dollar index, and second one is to see how they break this area 109. That's something that I'm gonna follow. Not this tendency, but the level of resistance. Because if they give us break of this level of resistance, yes, they'll go to 109.50. If they break 109.50, they will go to 115. It is important. If they break 109.50, so the close price of daily chart is above 109.50, you go to 115. So you buy your dollar to 115. If they just hit it, rebound, and close under 109.10, it's going to be a sell signal. So that's how it's going to work intraday, and that's how it's going to work for you with the signals to buy or to sell. So on 15-minute chart, there is an opportunity to buy right now. And what I think will happen before the FOMC decision, when it comes, they may hit support. Stochastic will show us buy signal, and only after that we can buy. So yeah, right now there is no buy signal for euro dollar, but in the same time we can't just buy or sell euro dollar. Before the FOMC decision, they may climb up, but it is important to see the break of resistance or sell signal on 15-minute chart and on 1-hour chart. What's the sell signal? We need to see shadows on the top side on 15-minute chart and 1-hour chart, and after that, together with the stochastic oscillator, we may sell intraday. If market will not decide to break 109 and 109.50, then here will be a moment to sell. For example, gold and silver, I told you for silver to check 23 area, and yes, it is really important because technically this price is being knocked for 9 times. If FOMC will rise the rate up to 25% basis points, it means that target range will change from 4.50 to 4.75, and this will bring volatility to silver, and they hit 23 area, and after that they'll go to 21.70. This may happen because monetary policy is not changing, and this is something that market may show you, the correction, because the step is changed, but idea to raise the rate isn't changed. Okay, so what you have to follow is you have to follow this 23 area. If they break it, you can sell. Okay, for gold, current price 1,927, and yes, they broke the previous support, but in the same day they came back. This is not a moment for us to sell gold. It is a really weak technical situation to sell gold. If you check weekly chart, there is no sell opportunity. And above 1,927, they will hit 1,980. So we need on 1-hour chart to see them breaking, just like with the euro, to see them breaking some range, which is like this. You can see they hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if they give us shadow on the bottom side after they hit this resistance, this will be a perfect moment for us to buy gold up to 1980, 1980. But if they try to climb up and 1 hour will be closed under this green area and you will see shadow on the top side, this will be a perfect moment for you to sell gold today. I hope it will help you to trade, because it is a really beautiful technical picture which we can use today, but only after we see what market does to this technical situation. Right now, there is no opportunity to buy or to sell. If you just expect something, okay, you can try to do it. But if you want a good signal, this is a good technical signal that I give you right now. Also, I would like you to pay attention to American dollar index with the Japanese yen, because previously I told you that they will stay in a range, and they stayed in a range. I told you that it's going to happen for the 1 week. Why? Because China was off because of New Year, and after that we were waiting for this data, the PMI from the whole world, and today we are waiting for rate decision from America. So it is a really good technical reason to trade. If on some statistical information Japanese yen will go down, not the currency pair but the Japanese yen, they will hit 132 area. 132. So the level of resistance is 132. There is no signal for us right now. But like on 30-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, you can try to buy it, to put stop loss like 129 and your take profit to 132. If they hit that resistance, you'll be in profit. But if they break the support and go further to 126, you will not get a big stop loss. Because if they break this support area, it's like 129.60. If they break it, they will hit 126 again. So those are levels for today. Current level of support is really important, which is 129.60, 129.80, 90. This area is important for us. Level of resistance is 132, and level of support is 126. So if they break this area of support on 1 hour chart, they will hit 126. And it means that euro dollar will go up. Now, please tell me if you like this kind of explanation. Is it understandable for you? Because this is what I do all the time. I make all those lines, tendencies, and for me it's understandable that we have this level, above this level, we act because of the news. So you don't trade just because you feel like it's going to go up or down. You expect some news and you get it as a reason to trade. I hope that it works for you the same way as it does for me. So please write comments under the video. And what I would like to share with you is some technical picture about the Euro-Japanese yen. Let me find it, Euro-Japanese yen. I know this is not the best currency pair that you like to trade. Level of resistance which I like is 142.80, 142.90, and today if they break this level of resistance, which is 141.90, I'm gonna buy intraday up to 142.80. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart. If they hit this level of resistance and they stay above this area, 142, I'm gonna buy up to 142.80. If you ask me, why shouldn't you sell right now? Because it's near the resistance and it looks like a really good opportunity to sell, isn't it? No, it's not a good technical idea for me, because if you check like daily chart, there is no understandable tendency. I would say that it's much better to sell Euro-Japanese yen. I feel like that because like they need to go to correction. But market doesn't work like that. Market doesn't work this way. You can't just feel that it has to go to correction, okay? And there is no technical signal. But on daily chart, you can see those shadows on the bottom side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today is the 7th day. So I feel like they're gonna break this level of resistance and hit 142.80 area. After that, if they break it, they will go up to 145. But here is a question. Will euro bring currency pair that high? Or will Japanese yen, because of being weak, will bring this currency pair that high? I'm not sure yet. We need to get trading signal. Because so far, market is in a range. They are waiting for news. That's why we expect today's news as a reason to have trading ideas for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Also, let's check the Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, level of resistance is around 29,000, and on daily chart there is no sell signal. On weekly chart there is no sell signal. On 4-hour chart you can see shadows on the bottom side, and it looks like, yeah, they're trying to give us a little bit correction, but they're not really strong in those decisions, like sell in Bitcoin. That's why above the 200 moving average, it'll be really smart to buy Bitcoin. Above 200 moving average on 1-hour chart, it is a good idea to buy this instrument, and your target goes up to area 29,000. So I wish you profits. Stay with me and subscribe to this YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Bye bye.